wake to the sound of silence and it feels wrong. Not peaceful silence, the heavy kind. No fridge hum, no streetlights, no buzzing phone, just dead air. You check outside. The whole block is dark. Bucharest looks like a photograph with the power cut out of it. The grid isn't down, it's gone. Most people will spend the day pretending it's temporary. They'll make coffee, look out the window, and tell themselves it'll come back soon. It won't. You have 7 days to stay alive. Let's start. Day 0, act before panic wins. Fill everything with water. Bottles, pots, the bathtub, even that ugly vase from your aunt. The taps will stop soon, and once they do, every drop counts. Cook what can rot: milk, meat, cheese, boil, fry, preserve. Your fridge is dying, your food is next. Close curtains, stay quiet, and make your home look empty. A dark house survives. A glowing one gets visited. By morning, you'll hear it. The quiet buzz of fear. Elevators stuck, cars stalled, supermarkets already half empty. People walking slower, eyes calculating. You don't need to panic, you need a plan. Step 1, inventory. Count everything that feeds or fuels you. Step 2, save energy. Every light, every battery, every match matters. Step 3, eat smart. You're not eating for taste anymore, you're eating for survival. Tomorrow the real test begins. The smell, the silence, and the first cracks in civilization. Day 2, the city smells wrong. Not like smoke or trash, something deeper. The plumbing's dying and the air knows it. Your toilet doesn't flush. The taps hiss air. This is when people start to understand what no power really means. Sanitation first. You don't want to die of 19th century problems. If you live in an apartment, use buckets for flushing. In the countryside, dig a latrine 2 feet deep, 200 feet from any water source. Cover every use. No toilet paper. Use cloth, newspaper, leaves, then wash your hands with ash or sand. Bacteria don't care about your pride. Water next. You filled your containers, now they're running low. Set out bowls, pots, even trash bags to catch rain. No rain? Dig a solar still, a hole, a plastic sheet, a cup in the sun. Boil everything you drink, always. Heat is your next enemy. If it's winter, seal off one room. Blankets on windows, towels under doors. If you light a fire inside, crack a window. Carbon monoxide is the invisible killer. A terracotta pot over candles gives just enough warmth to stay sane. The streets are quiet now, but not safe. Your neighbors have stopped waving. Someone's generator hums in the distance. Light at night is no longer comfort, it's a target. Sleep lightly. Keep tools near, because tomorrow the fear grows legs. Day 4 to 7. This is when society forgets its manners. The shelves are empty. Rumors spread faster than the flu. The government's coming. The army's on its way. No one's coming. Security first, lock doors, board windows, make your house look poor, abandoned, boring. Tie cans on strings near doors. Gravel under windows. A noisy perimeter buys you seconds, and seconds are gold. Food's running low, canned goods are gone. You start rationing, 1 meal a day, maybe 2. You're tired, dizzy, hungry, sure but alive. Hunt small animals, trap rabbits, fish in creeks. Cook everything. Parasites don't care about your story. When hunger quiets, your mind starts to crack. That's when you build a routine. Wake up at the same time, eat at the same time. Clean. Listen to radio static even if no one's speaking. Routine keeps you human. By day 7, you've changed. You stopped waiting for help. You became your own plan. The lights may never return, but you did something better. You adapted. Because in the end, it's not the dark that kills you. It's dehydration, disease, panic. You learned to kill all 3. So if the world ends again tomorrow, you'll already know what to do.